All right, let's talk about something that's going to completely change how you use your computer. We're diving into the world of keyboard shortcuts. Basically, the secret to finally ditching that mouse and just flying through your digital world. I mean, seriously, think about your day. How much of it is just click, drag, hunt for that tiny icon, click again? It totally breaks your flow, right? But what if you could just skip all that? That's where these secret codes come in. And that's really what keyboard shortcuts are. They unlock your computer's hidden power. You don't need to learn hundreds of them. Just mastering a few key ones will make you feel like a total pro. So let's get started. Okay, section 1, navigate like a pro. First things first, let's talk about just moving around. We're going to learn how to jump between all your apps and control your whole screen without ever reaching for that mouse again. You know the feeling. You've got your web browser with like 20 tabs, a Word doc, your email, maybe a spreadsheet. It's just chaos. So how do you hop between all those things without losing your mind? Well, the answer is just two little keys, Alt and Tab. Seriously, this is the king of all shortcuts. If you only learn one thing from this, make it this one. It's a game changer. So here's the magic. You just hold down the Alt key, and then you tap the Tab key. Every tap cycles you through your open programs. The analogy is perfect. It's like flipping through a deck of cards, where every card is one of your open windows. So fast, so simple. Okay, next problem we've all had. Your screen is just a mess of windows, and you need to grab something from your desktop. What do? Start clicking the little minimize button on every single window? Oh, no. There is a much better way. All you do is hit the Windows key and the letter D. And boom, everything's gone. Instant, clean desktop. What's so cool about this one is that it's like a light switch for your windows. Hit it once, and poof, they all disappear to the taskbar, giving you that clean desktop. And when you're ready to dive back in, just hit Win+D again, and everything pops right back up exactly how you left it. All right, so we're zipping around our windows like pros. Now let's zoom in a bit and talk about mastering your text. If you type, well, anything, emails, documents, code, these next few are gonna blow your mind. Okay, look, this is all about the Control key. Instead of tapping the arrow key a million times to move through a sentence, just hold down Control and use the arrows. Your cursor will literally jump from word to word. So much faster. Now, want to select text that way? Easy. Just add the Shift key to the mix. So Control plus Shift plus an arrow key, and now you're highlighting whole words at a time. This changes everything for editing. And now, for maybe the two most important shortcuts ever created. First, the legendary Control plus Z. This is the universal whoops button. The, oh no, I didn't mean to delete that lifesaver. It just takes you one step back. But what happens if you go back too far? Well, that's where its trusty sidekick comes in, Control plus Y. That redoes what you just undid. Think of them as your personal time-traveling duo. Okay, we've got windows, we've got text. Let's zoom back out and talk about controlling the computer itself. We're talking files, folders, the whole shebang, all with your fingers on the keyboard. Making a new folder. You know the drill. Right-click, wait, go down to New, slide over to Folder, click. Forget all that, seriously. Just go to your desktop or any folder and hit Control, Shift, and N. Bam! A new folder just appears and you can start typing the name right away. It's the absolute fastest way to get your files in order. And what about renaming a file? Even easier. Just click on a file once to highlight it and then hit the F2 key. That's it. You're instantly renaming it. Type the new name, press Enter. Done. Way faster than the whole right-click and find rename thing. All right, you're done with the program. What's your instinct? Move the mouse all the way up to that little X in the corner, right? There's a better way. It's Alt plus F4. This is the universal I'm done with this command. It'll close whatever window you're currently in. But here's a little pro tip that makes this one even more powerful. If you're not in any program, say you're just on your desktop, and you hit Alt plus F4, it brings up the shutdown menu. So it's basically the master key for closing anything, from one little window all the way to shutting down your whole computer. Okay, you've got the essentials down. You're already faster than you were 5 minutes ago. Now let's get into the really cool stuff. These are the shortcuts that will officially make you a power user. Ready? Now this next one, is powerful, so you gotta use it with respect. You know how when you delete something, it just goes to the recycle bin for safety? Well, if you hold down Shift when you hit delete, it skips the recycle bin completely. It's just gone. Forever. This is amazing for getting rid of junk you know you'll never need again, but be warned, there is no Control+Z for this. Okay, this next one might just be the single greatest, most useful shortcut in the history of the internet. We have all done this. You accidentally close a browser tab you were just using. That moment of panic, right? Well, don't panic. Just hit Control, Shift, and T. And like magic, your browser will bring that tab right back from the dead. It's incredible. Whew, okay, that was a lot, I know. So if you're feeling a little overwhelmed, just focus on these three to start. Get really good at Alt plus Tab for switching windows, make CTRL-Z your best friend for fixing mistakes, and use CTRL plus Shift plus N to create folders instantly. I promise you, just those three will completely change the way you work. Look, the goal here isn't to memorize a giant list of commands. It's about finding the ones that fit your workflow and building them into your muscle memory. So think about it. What do you do most often? Pick just one of these shortcuts, just one, and use it over and over until you don't even have to think about it. You'll be amazed at how much faster you become. So, which one are you going to master first?